snack is hot Cheetos. Maybe we should drink our drinks.
I know, that's what I said. To save the boba for later, but
It's okay.
we need to listen to each other.
Alright, ready?
Bismillah. Fire. You know what? I just stuffed my butt with a lot of hot Cheetos yesterday too. Hold on.
Alright. I rate these 9.5 out of 10. Of course.
What she said, yeah.
That was good. Yeah. Alright. Ready for the next snack?
Yeah.
Next snack? Blue Doritos.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see.
Oh, blue Doritos. Why do you struggle to open them so much? Like, it's just so bad.
I know, like I just...
We'll wait for you. I'll give you like a cheers. Cheers.
Sorry for the music in the back. This is the restaurant.
That was no ASMR.
This will always be a babe. I got so many snacks.
Let's go. The Sanja. Oh.
I'm eating some hot Cheetos. Oh, I forgot that's empty. Miss Horse is texting me, asking if everything's okay. Okay, it's now we're gonna be trying rips.
Yeah, whatever that's called.
Okay. Choose. What color first?
I want to try the red one. It's calling my name. Actually, let's get two.
One of each.
Yeah. This one's strawberry. This one's green apple.
Okay, just be like that then. Get off.
Okay.
Okay.
Strawberry. Ready?
I rate these 10 out of 10. These are my favorites.
Yeah. Green apple.
Oh.
These are good too.
I rate these 9.
I think these might be the better ones in my opinion.
I like these ones more, but the strawberry have a bit more flavor. So I rate them like a 9, 9.5. Oh my god, my bag was upside down. What if all my stuff fell out? Snack. We got Sour Patch watermelon. I kind of just got my lip gloss on there. It's okay. This will hold our trash.
Why's my mom coming though in the rainy weather?
I don't know. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
These are at 11 out of 10.
Yeah,
Always.
11. Literally broke the scale. They're so good.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck?
I think you look directly at the camera. He said.
You definitely look directly at this
Hi
camera.
sisters. Oh, let's
Hi,
pretend to be
sisters.
James Charles. You ready? I got the intro.
Hi sisters, it's me, James Charles, and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Today we're going to be doing a little makeup look.
Yes, as you can see, we all got a glam. And I'm also literally drilling.
Yeah. We're going to do like a Cheeto lipstick.
Yeah, let's do a lip stain. Look at that. I didn't even see it.
Crunch delicious.
So crunchy. The music in the back is kind of hitting.
What if they didn't hear any of that?
I know. Oh, my curl. Ow.
Is that my dad?
On the bike,
Wow.
Baba's coming. Bye,
Bye,
sisters.
sisters.
We hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to go like and subscribe.
To our channel, Slimequeensidtas.
Yes.
Yeah.
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 Bye. Yeah.
Bye, sisters.
Are you serious?